name is Bastian. I'm a research engineer at the AIT, Austrian Institute of Technology. Within the 𝗂𝗵𝗲 Horizon project, we are working on the development of an extended reality assistant that helps technicians dismantle aircraft components safely and efficiently with a focus on circularity. Our solution brings immersive technology to the aircraft end-of-life processes. At AIT, we are leading the development of an XR dismantling assistant that brings guidance to the dismantling process of planes and also the automotive industry. This assistant uses augmented reality to project critical information directly into the user's point of view, helping technicians identify components, possible dismantling sequences, and also potential errors or dangers. Right now, we're in the development phase of our AR solution. We have started with a section of the plane, a small part, to refine how our app identifies materials, highlights hazards, and also visualizes dismantling instructions. Through AR glasses, technicians will see guidance layered directly onto the plane part, including information like cutting instructions, previous repairs, or possible dangerous materials. The XR assistant leverages 3D models, extended reality, and human-centered interface design to improve both safety and efficiency. The app is made in Unity and it connects to a central knowledge base that ensures that technicians follow the safest and most sustainable procedures. What makes this XR assistant truly innovative is its ability to reduce training time and error rates, all while boosting productivity. Our goal is to simplify complex dismantling tasks while making them safer, more efficient, and also easier to learn. Starting small and scaling smart, we are developing a practical solution with the potential to transform the dismantling operations in aerospace and eventually also the broader world of automotive recycling. The next steps include refining our application with feedback from industry and preparing our solution for the integration into real production environments. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on the 𝗂𝗵𝗲 project to see how this and other technologies evolve, and follow them to see how 𝗂𝗵𝗲 can contribute to a safer and more circular aerospace and automotive industry. Stay tuned!